Hello friends! Surprise! Are you surprised to see me? I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a third video on this channel in 1 week, but I have a very exciting giveaway to announce and a special tutorial to go along with it. I've partnered with Creative Fabrica for this giveaway, and we're going to select one of my subscribers to win a brand new Silhouette Cameo 4. You guys know I'm a huge silhouette girl, and I'm so excited to be able to give one of these machines away to one of you. So here are the rules to enter the giveaway. First, you need to go down to the description box and click on the link I have down below. It is a free file that you can download from Creative Fabrica. It won't charge you anything, you download it for free. And then leave a comment on this video and tell me what you would do using this file. Would you make a t-shirt with it? Would you make a mug with it? I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it in this video, and maybe that will give you a little bit of inspiration. And then lastly, you have to just be subscribed to this channel and follow me on Instagram at MadeByMannyandMal. This giveaway is going to run for 1 week, so it starts today and it will end on Thursday, June 2nd. And then I will make another extra video to announce the winner, and then Creative Fabrica will send you your brand new machine. And of course, you guys already know this, but I love Creative Fabrica. I use them for a ton of my designs. I get 99% of my fonts from Creative Fabrica, and they do have a membership, an all-access membership that, in my opinion, is $100 worth the money. If you are not yet a member, you can sign up. Down in the description box, I have a link where your first month will only be $1. You have unlimited downloads within that first month, and then it will renew at $19 every month, which is a discount from the $29 that it would regularly be if you just signed up. So again, I really love the membership. I think it's totally worth it. There are tons of graphics, fonts are a big one, SVGs, waterslide images, sublimation images, digital papers, all kinds of stuff. And everything I'm going to be using on the tumbler we're going to make today is from Creative Fabrica. So we're going to use the free file, and then I've got a few little clip art packs that we're going to do as well. So this tutorial is more of an inspiration, kind of just a little idea for maybe what you could do with this free file. And hopefully you enjoy it. And don't forget to enter the giveaway, and good luck. May the odds be ever in your favor. Is that what they said? I never saw the Hunger Games, but I think that's what she said. Okay, that's it. Let's go. We're using a 20-ounce skinny straight powder-coated white tumbler, so it's ready to go. I've got it on my turner, and I'm going to put my first coat of epoxy right onto the cup. I've got about 20 milliliters of Mr. Nola's Speed Dry Epoxy in my cup, and I added a little bit of extra fine Firefly from PDB into my epoxy to give this base layer just a little bit of sparkle. You can use any fine or extra fine glitter you have. You just want to mix a little bit into your epoxy. You can also use mica powder, and this will just give everything a little bit of a nice sheen and sparkle. So while that's curing, we're going to download our file. So this is the free file that you'll download in order to enter the giveaway for the Silhouette Cameo 4. So once you download it, you can open it up and bring it into your design space or Silhouette Studio. And it comes with all these little dots and swirlies. I'm just going to get rid of those. I'm going to modify this file just a little bit. So once I've gotten rid of all those little dots, I'm going to go and group every word together. It comes all separated because it's an SVG. So I'm just highlighting all the letters and then right-clicking and hitting Make Compound Path. And then instead of having everything aligned to the left, I'm going to align everything to the center. And now I want to use this as a water slide versus cutting it out of vinyl. So I'm going to create an offset. We're going to do this again, so this is just to show you the fill trick in Silhouette Studio. So if you go to the color palette and then you click on the little dot box, you can fill your offset or your file, whatever it is, with a pattern versus just a solid color. And you can also upload your own. So I uploaded this rainbow ombre image. It's like a digital paper that I uploaded. And I'm going to make that my offset, so that when we put it as a water slide, it's going to show up really rainbowy and pretty. So we're going to do a double offset for our water slide. So starting with my original file, I'm going to create the first offset, which is going to be 0.025 inches wide. I'm going to make that black, and then I'm going to take that black offset, that's going to be our middle layer, and I'm going to create a second offset from that middle one, and the second one's going to be double the size, so it's going to be 0.050 inches wide, and then this is the one we're going to color with our rainbow pattern. So I'm going to click on that pattern, make the cut outline non-existent so that when we save this as a PNG, you won't see any of those cut lines. The top layer, I made a gold glitter digital paper that I have, and I'm going to layer all of those together and then save this as a PNG file with a transparent background. Then I'm going to go into Pages, which is just like Word but for Mac, and I'm going to import my PNG here. I'm going to crop it so that we only have the size of the actual image. Make sure your settings are sized to the proper paper size. So my waterslide paper is A4. So I changed that. I sized my decal up. It's about 3.75 inches high. And now I'm going to get all of my other images ready. So I'm using 3 little file packs from Creative Fabrica. I've got my little fashion girl and then 2 little element packs from the GG shop. These will all be linked down below in the description box as well. And I printed them out on my clear waterslide paper. This is from Hayes Paper Company. And I sealed it with 3 coats of clear gloss spray from Rust-Oleum, not the enamel one, the 2 times clear gloss. That's what works the best for me. I'm going to start with my main fashion girl here with her cup of coffee. I cut her out and I'm going to stick her in my little box of lukewarm, warm water. It's more warm than it is room temp, but not too hot. I'm going to sit her in there for just maybe like a minute or 2 until she starts to slide off the backing easily. And then as you see here, I'm going to just apply the image to my cup. I'm using a wet paper towel to keep the image really, really wet so that I can maneuver it around, smooth out any air bubbles or water pockets that are underneath the image. And once I've got it where I want it, I'm going to basically like stick it in place with this silicone brush. Once you get all of the water out with this brush, it's really hard to move your image around. So make sure that before you do this, you have everything where you want it, and then you can brush out all the excess water. And I like to take a dry paper towel and just tap out any excess moisture from the image, and then I'll move on to my next ones. So I've got to put a silhouette cameo on here, obviously, because that's what this whole video is about. And then I'm just going to continue going all the way around my cup, adding these little crafting elements. We've got washi tape, some paintbrushes, measuring tape, a hot glue gun, of course, and we're also going to throw our main decal in there as well. When I was recording this, my camera just stopped recording in the middle of it, so here's what the cup looks like after all the water slides have been applied. You can see that really cute rainbow offset background on that decal. I need to start doing that more often. I always forget about that trick, but that's what our cup looks like. I'm going to let this dry for about an hour, and then I'm going to go in with my final coats of epoxy. So from here, of course, you can add more glitter on top. You can do anything that you wanted, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of inspiration for what you could use this free file from Creative Fabrica for. So be sure to let me know how you would use this file, what kind of design or what kind of vibe or how you would use it in general down below in the comments. Make sure you download the file using the link down below in the description, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel and following me on Instagram so that you can enter the giveaway and maybe win the cameo. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, love you. Bye.